All right.
Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is another short video, kind of the same thing as the video we just did. Another guy with hair greed who doesn't really need anything done. And this guy is but we've already done him, and that's why he doesn't need anything else done. And so this guy's a tough guy. He's a problem solver for our government. And he rolled in here a couple of years ago with two things. One is a low yield strip case from a big chain.
So it's a little low.
And two, it was too low a hairline.
Yeah.
But once they committed to that low hairline, and I don't even think it's still low enough to suit this guy. I mean, he wants his hairline
yeah.
like down here. But so we just packed him along the hairline that they had done for him. And he sent some pictures in around eight months, and I think he's at 19 months now. And he called up and he was out skiing in Utah, and which I like to ski, and I take some patients every year and go out there. And he was out there skiing, and he took off his helmet, and he thought he needed another hair transplant. He called from Utah, and he flew straight back, and look at this picture. I don't know where you put another hair on that dude's head.
I think he looks really good. Yeah, there's no way you can tell him another hair transplant.
And so his before should be up now, and his 19-month result, and he's got really good hair to work with. So this is a great example of, number one, we can really pack hairlines really quite well. Two, beware of hair greed. Man, it is every week that somebody has a good result that we've done who says, I think maybe I need just a couple more hairs. And oftentimes it's true. They could use a few more hairs or they gotten balder. But so many of the time is it perfection's the enemy. They just cannot quit looking. Could I have a few more hairs and I'd look like I did when I was 19? So in summary, beware of hair greed, and make sure you do your research before you sign up with your first hair doctor. And I probably wouldn't do a hairline quite as low as this guy chose to do it elsewhere. But once you're committed to that low hairline, you got to stick with it. So
yeah, I mean, he likes it.
Yeah. Well, he likes it enough. He wants to go. And if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.